Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're talking about one of our new Hypershift clutch kits for the 2024 new RZR XP1000s. This is our Caddy kit. Caddy as in like smooth, cruising. Still works good for everything when you get on it because it's a Caddy and they got power too. But this new setup is kind of what we're calling our Caddy kit. And it's for the everyday trail rider who just wants something nice and smooth and comfortable. And he's got the RZR, loves everything else about it, but he's not looking for that, you know, super high-end racing type clutch feel. That's where this Caddy kit comes into play. So we reuse a stock primary spring currently. We're working on some other stuff, but right now it uses a stock primary spring. Comes with a preset set of our adjustable clutch weights, as you can see here. There's 100% machined right here behind me here. Our billet aluminum Helix. We use a full progressive setup in these machines, and then it's available in EBS and non-EBS. The big difference there is if you're riding flat ground, flat terrain, I would recommend you go non-EBS. If you're riding in the mountains or you do a lot of steep declines, you probably want to stay with that EBS setup. The big difference is on the non-EBS setups, anytime you go to take off or if you stop, go to reverse, go to forward, whatever, basically when the machine stops moving one direction or another, you get that big clunk. That's the EBS notch in the secondary. When you go to the non-EBS option, that's gone. You won't hear it ever again. So that's the difference there. Obviously, new secondary spring, and then this is a weight adjustment kit. But again, these weights come preset, so you're not going to have to worry about monkeying with that. Comes preset. There's other adjustments there if you want them or need them. And then just to give you an idea, there's some huge changes in the cruising speeds. We're going to put a chart up on the video now to show you. Takes a lot less throttle to just cruise at those higher speeds. Again, cruising like you're in a Caddy. That's what our theme and everything is here for that. And it still works great if you're out trail riding, you're romping on it, you know, you want to spin the tires, stuff like that. It still works good for all that. It's just not as a racy type setup as what the stock cal or one of our more performance calibration setups would be. Retail price on this kit's $499.95. They're in stock. If you guys had any questions, give us a call and let us know.